Tired of surprise charges creeping up on your bank statement? Feeling like you're constantly paying for services you barely use? You're not alone. Many of us unknowingly subscribe to countless apps, streaming services, and other online services that drain our bank accounts month after month. That's where services like Rocket Money come in. But does Rocket Money actually cancel subscriptions for free? And is it truly worth the hype? Today, we're diving deep into the world of subscription management, exploring what Rocket Money can and cannot do, and ultimately helping you decide if it's the right tool for you. What is Rocket Money? First, let's understand what Rocket Money actually is. Essentially, it's a personal finance app that helps you track your spending, identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions, and even negotiate lower bills for things like internet and insurance. Does Rocket Money cancel subscriptions for free? The truth. Now, the burning question, does Rocket Money actually cancel subscriptions for free? The short answer, yes and no. The long answer. Automated cancellations. Rocket Money excels at identifying subscriptions you might have forgotten about. It scans your bank and credit card statements, pinpointing recurring charges that you might not be actively using. Assisted cancellations. While Rocket Money can automate some cancellations, for many services, it requires user interaction. You'll often need to initiate the cancellation process yourself within the app. Rocket Money provides instructions and sometimes even scripts to help you navigate the cancellation process. Negotiation assistance. Rocket Money also helps you negotiate lower bills for services like internet, insurance, and even cable. This feature can save you significant money, but it often involves some manual effort on your part. How Rocket Money works. Connect your accounts. You start by connecting your bank accounts and credit cards to the Rocket Money app. This allows the app to analyze your spending patterns and identify recurring charges. Subscription discovery. Rocket Money scans your transactions to uncover hidden subscriptions you might have forgotten about. Cancellation assistance. For each subscription, Rocket Money provides clear instructions and sometimes even scripts to help you cancel. You can initiate the cancellation within the app or be guided through the process on the service provider's website. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money also offers a bill negotiation feature. You can select bills for services like internet, insurance, and cable, and Rocket Money will attempt to negotiate lower rates with the providers on your behalf. The pros and cons of using Rocket Money. Pros. Subscription discovery. Rocket Money is incredibly effective at finding hidden subscriptions you might have forgotten about. Time saving. Automating some cancellations and providing clear instructions saves you time and effort. Potential for significant savings. By identifying and canceling unused subscriptions and negotiating lower bills, you can save a substantial amount of money each month. User-friendly interface. The Rocket Money app is generally user-friendly and easy to navigate. Cons. Limited automation. While Rocket Money automates some cancellations, many still require manual intervention. Not all cancellations are automated. You'll need to actively participate in the cancellation process for many services. Relies on user input. The effectiveness of Rocket Money depends heavily on how actively you use the app and engage with its features. Free versus premium. Rocket Money offers a free version, but the premium version unlocks more features and provides more comprehensive support. Is Rocket Money worth it? Ultimately, whether or not Rocket Money is worth it depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're someone who tends to forget about subscriptions or struggles to negotiate with service providers, Rocket Money can be a valuable tool. Even if you're tech-savvy, Rocket Money can save you time and effort by streamlining the subscription management process. Tips for maximizing Rocket Money. Connect all your accounts. To ensure Rocket Money provides a complete picture of your spending, connect all your bank accounts and credit cards. Regularly review your subscriptions. Make it a habit to regularly review the subscriptions listed in the Rocket Money app. Take advantage of negotiation assistance. Don't hesitate to use Rocket Money's bill negotiation feature to potentially lower your bills for internet, insurance, and other services. Consider the premium version. If you find the free version helpful, consider upgrading to the premium version for access to additional features and enhanced support. While Rocket Money is a popular choice, it's not the only option available. Some popular alternatives include Truebill, another subscription management service with a focus on automated cancellations and bill negotiation. Trim, similar to Rocket Money, Trim helps you identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions, negotiate bills, and even find better deals on insurance. Personal Capital, a comprehensive financial planning platform that includes subscription tracking and cancellation assistance, along with other features like investment tracking and retirement planning. So, does Rocket Money cancel subscriptions for free? While it offers automated cancellation features, many cancellations still require user input. However, Rocket Money can be a valuable tool for identifying forgotten subscriptions, streamlining the cancellation process, and potentially saving you significant money on your monthly bills. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.